Hinduism, the eternal path of life. Hinduism is not just a religion, it's a way of life that has flourished for thousands of years. Imagine a tree with deep roots that stretch far into the earth. This tree represents Hinduism, a living tradition that began in ancient India and continues to grow and adapt to modern times. The roots, an ancient legacy. Long ago, around 3000 BCE, in a civilization called the Indus Valley, people started forming ideas and practices that would later shape Hinduism. These people lived along rivers, built advanced cities, and created artifacts like seals and figurines that reflected their beliefs. While the name Hinduism was given much later, these practices are some of the earliest signs of this tradition. Hinduism developed through sacred texts called the Vedas, written in Sanskrit, an ancient language. These texts, created by wise sages, contain prayers, hymns, and guidelines for life. They were passed down orally for generations before being written down. Imagine families sitting by fires, reciting these verses under the starlit sky. The journey, how the name came to be. In ancient times, outsiders noticed the people living near the Indus River and called them Hindus. Over time, this name became associated with their way of life and spiritual practices. In the 19th century, scholars began using the term Hinduism to describe this vast and diverse tradition. Many Hindus prefer to call their faith Sanatana Dharma, meaning the eternal law, emphasizing that their beliefs are timeless and universal. A way of life, not just a religion. Hinduism isn't about rigid rules or one-size-fits-all beliefs. It's a celebration of diversity. Think of it as a vast ocean where rivers from different regions flow into one large body. This ocean allows people to explore different paths to truth depending on their age, experiences, and personal journeys. For instance, some may find truth in the quiet reading of the Bhagavad Gita, a conversation between Lord Krishna and the warrior Arjuna. Others may experience spirituality through colorful festivals like Diwali, filled with lights, sweets, and joy. Some may meditate or perform yoga to connect with their inner selves. This openness and acceptance make Hinduism unique. It teaches us to respect other beliefs and find common ground rather than differences. A living tradition, tolerance and unity. At its core, Hinduism is about harmony. A well-known Hindu prayer says, "May good thoughts come to us from all sides." This line captures the spirit of Hinduism. It sees truth as multifaceted, like a diamond with many shining faces. Instead of forcing one version of truth, Hinduism encourages individuals to seek their own understanding, respecting others' paths. Why it matters today? Today, Hinduism has nearly 1 billion followers worldwide, most of whom live in India. But its influence goes beyond numbers. Its philosophy, arts, rituals, and festivals inspire people globally. It reminds us to live in harmony with nature, treat others with kindness, and seek knowledge throughout our lives. In a fast-changing world, Hinduism offers timeless wisdom and practical tools for modern challenges. It tells us that life is a journey, and every moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with the divine. In simple words, Hinduism is like an old, wise friend who has seen the world change over thousands of years. It doesn't tell you to follow strict rules but guides you to live a meaningful life. Whether you find joy in music, prayer, or just helping others, Hinduism embraces it all. It's not just a religion, it's a way of living in tune with yourself, others, and the universe.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will delve into the fascinating concept of the 5 tensile strands, an exploration of the core elements that weave together the rich fabric of Hindu thought and practice.